So JOYROOM has launched on-clip earbuds. You can also call them open-ear earbuds. The design is really unique. I mean, I have reviewed other open-ear headsets as well. It has this clip-like design which makes it perfect to fit in your ears and avoid falling down. As you can see, the earbuds charging dock in circular shape, just like the trendy design nowadays. It feels more handy. So let's start with the unboxing first. You can see this little box. All the major features are mentioned on the front and some on the rear side. Now let's open it up. The best thing about these earbuds is that they come with 24 months of warranty. As you can see, it is mentioned on the top right of the box. So the unboxing experience was really great. It's very simple and clean. You get the user manual on the top and the earbuds in this plastic wrap. The build quality of the charging dock and earbuds both feel really solid. They doesn't look cheap from any angle. The metallic look of these earbuds is something really cool. You get these rubber clips on both of these earbuds so they can fit on any type of ears easily. There is a button at the bottom of the charging dock and a USB-C charging port, and we have a little LED on the front which show the charging status of the dock by pressing that button on the bottom. Then there is Type-C cable, which is a little too small. The quality is fine but length feels really short. Now if we talk about the connectivity, you just have to turn on the Bluetooth, search for this JOYROOM OE3 and connect it. Simple as that. The audio quality is really great. You can feel the sound coming out of these earbuds. I have been testing them from like a couple hours and the audio quality is super great. And talking about the noise cancellation, when you put on these earbuds, the noise automatically gets suppressed and you feel really less noise coming in. So they kind of make your whole listening experience really great, especially when you are on a call. And for the touch controls, there are a couple touch controls on these earbuds. They are also mentioned in the user manual. So upon the double tap, the video or music will play, and again on the double tap you can pause it. And to play the next video or the next music, you need to tap 3 times, just like this, and here you go. And same for the incoming calls. For example, you are on a bike or driving, you don't want to take your phone out of your pocket and have these earbuds put on. You can receive the calls by double tapping. And in the same way, you can end the calls by double tap as well. So let me tell you some main features of these open clip earbuds. First of all, they have all area touch control. There is no specific point where you need to tap. You can tap anywhere on this L-shaped angle. So that is really unique feature. I have seen many other brands out there in market doesn't offer this feature. Second feature is about the design. These earbuds have L-shaped bridge design, which helps bring the speakers more closer and provide clearer sound and less leakage of sound in your surroundings. Other than that, the weight of these earbuds is just 4.9 grams. Can you believe that? These are super lightweight earbuds, which means they won't cause any discomfort to your ears. Third most important feature is auto left-right recognition. This is basically because of this L-shaped design. So usually when you are using some other brands earbuds, you need to take the earbuds out and see which one is for left ear and which one is for right. But here you don't really need to care about that. You can use either of these earbuds in either of your ears. These earbuds also do have app where you control a lot of things about these OE3 earbuds. You can change the controls of double tap from here and also of triple tap. Like you can fully customize these touch controls. And then in this equalizer feature, you get multiple other sound options. Then we have this low latency mode, which will reduce the audio lag in games and some other stuff here. That's all for the app. Talking about the battery backup, they provide you almost 1 day of backup with charging case. So that ends up here. These OE3 JOYROOM earbuds have really solid quality and sound quality too. The best thing is that they come with an app. You can pretty much control everything via app and change the sound qualities and play around with other stuff in the application. Actually, a lot of features. If you want to get yours, you can go through the link in the description below. That's all for now. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.